Hey, to input a SIM card into your OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, first of all, you will have to grab this SIM tool. You can find it in the box. Then the SIM slot will be located on the left side, so you have to open it like this, input this SIM tool inside, then press on it, it's inside. So now we can just grab the SIM tool, the SIM slot with our fingers, take it off, and right now we've got the option to actually input two SIM cards. So we can put this first SIM card right here. There we go. Or we can input this SIM card right here. So you can decide where you want to input it. It looks like this. Now you can just put it back. Do this slowly. Try to move this right to the left and the right side. And when it is inside, it's finished. So that's all. Please subscribe.